Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step one is going to be gather your ingredients. Here I have my loaf of bread, my peanut butter, a knife. Some people like to use spoons or forks. I like to use a knife. And a jam or jelly or preserve or marmalade, or you can use honey or whatever of your choice. But since this is peanut butter and jelly, I'm using grape jelly. Now, step one is going to be get your bread. I like to use 2 slices because I'm usually a hungry boy. You can use 1 slice, you can use 3 slices. If you use 1 slice, you're just going to fold it in half or cut it in half. I'm going to use 2 slices. Don't forget to put your bread away with the tie on it. Don't just spin and flip. Step 2, get your peanut butter, right? When you have an organic or natural peanut butter, separation can occur and is normal. So I like to give it a good stir to get everything mixed up. And then take a good dollop of peanut butter and smear that on your bread. Now, there's a few tricks you can do. If you're traveling for the day and you're making your sandwich in the morning, you put peanut butter on both slices to protect the jam from seeping through the bread and getting all soggy and gross. For the purpose of today, I'm just going to use the 1 slice. However, I do like to clean off my knife before I put it in the jam or jelly. So I'm going to use that other slice of bread just to kind of clean it off a bit more. Now, peanut butter, good. Second step, after you put your peanut butter away, you get your jelly. My sister made me this nice grape jelly or jam. I don't know the difference. I do, but I can't remember. And you're going to do the same exact thing. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, take a good amount and spread it. You want to use just about as much as you want. Measure with your heart. Nobody should ever let you judge yourself more than yourself. But see how thin that is? I like a little bit more. You want a thin coating. You don't want it squeezing out the sides or anything or running off. But you definitely want enough for it to be noticeable. So I'm going to add just a bit more. Again, any residue on the knife, just use the bread to clean it off. Okay? As with the other steps. Put away your jelly. Now, step 4 is assemble your sandwich. So what you're going to do is you take each half, make sure peanut butter side is up and jam side is up, and then you just put those together. Boom, you have made yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, there's a few things you can do from here. Some people like to cut it down the middle. That's fine. Some people like to cut it on the diagonal. That's also great. So you get 2 triangles. People that cut it lengthwise, that's their choice. And we don't judge here. This is judgment-free household. All right. Another option that is popular is you take something such as a large mason jar lid, and you press that into the sandwich. And you make an uncrustable style sandwich. You cut all the crust off, it seals it down. I'll show you that here. So I take that, press straight down, Give it a little squish to both sides. Okay. You can see that cut through the other side. So push through. You're left with your crust and a nice little sealed off envelope of peanut butter and jelly. I don't always prefer this method. One, it dirties another piece of dishes to clean up. And two, I don't mind eating a crust, but I know that there are picky people out there. I think this is a fun way to do it rather than just cutting off the sides and having the crust be that way. I think it's a cute, fun way to make it. Plus, when you do this and you seal up the sides a bit, you can just squish them together with your fingers. You can unlock the next level, which is, I'm not going to get into it, but you can batter this and then deep fry it, and then you have a deep fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I think that's really just God's gift to Earth. So, step 6, enjoy.